Okay, here we've got a direct proportion question, but it's directly proportional to the square of x. Always good to just start off by writing this down. Y is proportional to x squared. What does that mean? That means if I was to plot y against x squared, I would get a straight line. Hence y, a straight line going through the origin, so hence y is equal to kx squared, k being the gradient. Okay, it doesn't actually want us to work out k or anything. What it wants us to work out is the percentage increase in y when x is increased by 15%. So, how are we going to do this? Well, we know that y old is equal to kx squared, k old x squared. And then we've got a new value of x, which I'm going to call xn, and that is a 15% increase. So if I've got 100% and I increase it by 15%, I add them and I'm going to have 115%. To do that using a multiplier means it's 1.15. So I can write down that the new x is 1.15 multiplied by the old x. So right now I've got the new y is going to be k times the new x squared, and I can substitute this in. So it's going to be k 1.15 x squared, and now I can square my 1.15. 1.15 squared, that's going to give me 1.3225. So it's going to be k times 1.3225 x naught squared. What I've done is, look, I've sort of expanded the bracket. I've squared the 1.15 and I've squared the xo. Right, where does that leave me? That leaves me with, I can write this as 1.3225 times kxo squared, but this thing here is this thing here. So this is just y naught. So y new is equal to 1.3225 times y, the original y. So what percentage increase have we had? Well, this is just like 1.15 was 115%. 1.3225 is 132.25%, and we've had a percentage increase of 32.25%. Now, at the end of the day, all we've actually really done is square 1.15, actually, if you look at it, and then realize what that multiplier results in. But I think this level of working is good, and if you have inverse proportion questions with this kind of thing, I think it's important to kind of show what you are doing. So I would even though you might think this is a bit overkill, I would lay my working out like this.